हम लोग लास्ट 2 सेशन में बॉयल्स लॉ, चार्ल्स लॉ, ग्राम्स लॉ ऑफ डिफ्यूजन ये डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं। उसके बारे में ऑलरेडी मैं समझा चुका हूँ। आज फ्रेंड्स गैस इक्वेशन हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट गैस इक्वेशन। गैस इक्वेशन एट सिमिलर कंडीशन ऑफ प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर, the how volume of gas reacts. The similar condition of pressure and temperature, volume of gas, how it's changed. So Boyle's law, from Boyle's law, let us discuss about Boyle's law. Step 1. Step 1. Suppose this is the volume of gas V, V1, and we have applied pressure P1, and this much of gas, this volume of gas, suppose we applied more pressure P2, and this volume change into this V. So from Boyle's law we will get this P1, P is inversely proportional to V. Already we have discussed, according to Boyle's law, P is inversely proportional to V, or we can write like this: V is inversely proportional to P. So PV is constant. This is Boyle's law. So from step 1, V1 amount of gas at a pressure of P1, this change to V at a pressure of P2. This is, then from Boyle's law we will get P1 V1 is equal to V into P2. This implies V is equal to P1 V1 by P2. Suppose this is equation 1. And step 2. Suppose this volume here at constant of temperature. Suppose according to Charles' law, suppose this V amount of gas at a pressure P2, and suppose temperature is T1. So what Charles' law states? Charles' law states that at constant of pressure V is directly proportional to T. Suppose P2 is constant and we apply temperature T1 to this much of volume, and this change to, suppose V2, this V volume convert into V2, and temperature T1 change into T2. Suppose T2 temperature we apply, and this much of volume V change into V2. Here constant pressure is same amount of gas, V amount of gas, we apply temperature T1 at constant of pressure P2, and suppose temperature change to T2, this V change into V2. Then from this situation, Charles' law, what Charles' law says, V is directly proportional to T, means V here V1 by T1. What is V1? Here V1 is V. Okay, then V by T1 is equal to V2 by T2, V2 by T2 is equal to constant. This implies V by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. This implies V is equal to V2, V is equal to V2 T1 by T2. Suppose this is equation 2. Then from equation 1, V is equal to P1 V1 by P2, and here V is equal to V2 T1 by T2. Then from equation 1 and 2, we will get V is equal to P1 V1 by P2 is equal to V2 T1 by T2. Okay, then this implies that P1 V1 by T1. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. This is constant. So according to gas law, this P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 by V2 by T2 is constant. This implies PV by T is constant. This is gas law equation. So from beginning, let us see summary. V1 amount of gas will apply P1, then it, and suppose P1 changed to P2, then V1 converted into V, volume of gas. Same volume of gas, here P2 constant, and we will apply temperature T1. Suppose temperature T1 V, and we will increase temperature, decrease the temperature to T2, then this V amount of gas change into V2. Then from Boyle's step 1 to step 2, from Boyle's law, we will derive that V is equal to P1 V1 by P2, and from Charles' law we have found that V is equal to P1 V1 by P2. From equation 1 and 2, we will get P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2, where PV by T is constant. This is called Boyle's equation. And let us discuss Avogadro's law of equation. This is the Avogadro's law of discussion. Avogadro's law of equation. What is Avogadro's law? Avogadro's law states that at constant pressure and temperature, volume of gas is directly proportional to number of mole of gas. Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. What Avogadro's law states? At constant pressure and temperature, volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to number of mole. V is directly proportional to number of mole of gas. This we can write like this. V is, if pressure and temperature is not constant, then here we can write V is equal to number of mole of gas N into T by P. V is directly proportional to N. N, where is N? N is a number of mole of gas, where P is the pressure, pressure of gas, and T is the absolute temperature. So V is directly proportional to number of mole and temperature T, and inversely proportional to pressure. So we can write like this: PV is equal to N, number of mole of gas, R is the universal gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. Where is R? R is equal to 0.0821 liter. Here you can get liter atmospheric pressure per degree temperature, number of mole of gas. This is R is called universal gas constant. So what is this? PV is equal to number of mole of gas, R is the constant, T is the temperature. Like we can write like this also: R is equal to PV by number of mole of gas by T. This is the R is called universal gas constant. Thank you. Bye.